Hello everyone, this is Sumangala Bhatt along with my team members Ms. Pavitra Snack and Mr. Shivprasad Elgaonkar, and our project title is E-Vikas, a way to deal with agricultural and homely products. And our project is got selected in Avishkar event which was organized by VTU under the guidance of Professor Shweta Snack is our project guide and Professor Raghavendra Hegde is our project coordinator as well as HOD. This is overview of presentation, that is index, and it contains introduction, system analysis, design, system implementation, conclusion, and the references. Next is about introduction. As we all know, agriculture is backbone of our country, and nowadays people are facing the problems to sell their own products which they are yielding. Due to lack of communication and all, laborers may not get employment properly, and even homemade products also won't get sold as expected. So to overcome all these problems, we have come up with a new idea of web-based application, that is eVikas. And this platform dedicated to integrate the farmers, suppliers, retailer, customer, and the cooperative society and bridge the gap between them. It is useful for selling and buying the agricultural and homely products. After yielding the crop, farmer has a limited amount of time to find out the nearest market and to determine which market will be more profitable for his crop. For example, if farmer is yielding the tomatoes and all, it will ruin fast. So he has a limited amount of time to find out the nearest market. So this application will be helpful for him. And through our application, laborers can discover a job, and by using this application, people can get the crop prediction as well as the price prediction of the products. Next is about system analysis, that is existing system. In existing system, farmer has to visit all the markets to put their crops on market to get the best price, and even fertilizers, pesticides, seeds are not available on time. Customers are not able to get the grains whenever they require. So we are proposing the system that the main aim of this system is to provide the easy interactive platform for communication and information exchange between the farmers, dealers, retailer, and the customer. And farmer will get the fair price of his product, and this system will reduce the corruption, inconvenience of viewing the market, and will provide one-touch access to the decent and accurate market information. By using the crop prediction, farmer can yield the crop which is suitable on his farm. Next is continued by Pavitra. Thank you.
Next is design. This is the overview of our project. Our eVikas application consists of 6 modules, that is admin, farmer, supplier, retailer, labor, and the customer. Then this is the system architecture of our project. Here at the first, admin do the registration of the user. After that, the user can log in to our application through ID and password. Labor can check the vacancies through our application. Farmer can sell or buy the products to customer, and also for the retailer and the supplier. Then products are like agricultural products, homemade products, like that. And next, retailer can add his machinery products to our application so that the customer can buy the machinery products also. Then next is implementation. Here, to build our web application, we need to install IDE. For that, hardware requirements are 4 GB RAM, i3 processor, and 40 GB hard disk. To run IDE on operating system, we are using a Windows 7. In languages, we are using front-end as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and database as MySQL. And for prediction, Python are used. To build the connection between the database and the front-end, JSP are used. Here we are using tools as NetBeans IDE. To run the JSP file, we need to install Navicat.
Input design, the form will be created. Using the form, the user registration can be done. Then the login page will be there for buyers and sellers. In output design, the product will be displayed and the price and crop prediction will be displayed. Conclusions, it creates employments and these applications, this looks over the problem of farmers, supplier, dealers and customers, and this application solves the problem of people such as export and import products, crops, seeds. In future scope, it can be run over multiple platforms such as iOS and Windows. In future and even in future scope, crop prediction can be add a chart for the temperature, pH level, etc. These are the reference papers. Thank you.
Customer page. If I click on the admin, it is asking me to log in. If I have already registered, so it is asking me to log in. I'm giving username and the password. Now it will go to admin homepage with welcome note with the username in left side. And it contains add machinery, add products, and last logout. So admin can add the machinery and the products. Next is farmer. So here also I have already registered, so it is asking to log in. I'm logging with username and the password. Go to farmer homepage. So same here with the welcome note with the username, and it contains crop sale, higher labor, contact, complaint, home product, crop prediction, price prediction, and last logout. If I click on the crop prediction, we can predict the crop based on and you can enter the details like season, pH level, temperature, humidity level, and rainfall, and the level and the water level. If I click the submit, it will going to predict the crop. And it is Jowar. It's showing, it is predicting that Jowar. Next is price prediction. So here it is asking for temperature level, rainfall, pH level, humidity level, and the area of land in hectares. And the last crop we have added. So if I click on the submit, it will going to rate the price for the crop. So here it is predicting the crop, that is green gram. Next is supplier page. Supplier can log in with username and the password. So it will go to supplier homepage. and it contains welcome note with username, and I have given the Vijit12, so it is showing that, and it contains supplier home, available products, inbox, and we can log out from that. Next is labor. Same here, it is also asking me to log in. So I am giving Avijit123 as username. Welcome note, and it contains labor home, get site availability, labor can apply for job, and last we can log out from there. Next is retailer. I'm giving username and password for login. I have already registered. And it contains username with welcome note, and it contains retailer home, products, display homemade, and display the crop, and offer the products in box, and we can log out from it. Next is customer page. Go to customer home page, and it will show the welcome note with username like that, and it contains customer home, available products, machinery products, homemade products, crop products, and can log out from there.